Welcome back to CAD Station. Today again we are here with a new sketch that is here. We are going to transform this sketch into 3D model which will look like this. So let's start from the new, okay, from the new and the part. So you can see from this sketch we are going to use the front plane to start this sketch. So let's front plane sketch and the circle. Okay, one more thing. Let me change my units to millimeters and now again front plane and a sketch. Circle. Let's make two circles of smart dimension. The first is here you can see the small one is of 35 diameter and the large one is of 60 So smart dimension, this is of 35 and this is 50. Okay, this is 60, I guess. Yeah, this is 60 and the width, that's mean it's going to be extrude up to 38 You can see from here 38 Okay, let's do these features. Extrude boss base. This is 38, so we are going to first. I'm going to give it as 35 in one direction. That is going to beyond the sketch, and I'm going to select direction 2, and this is going to be 3 I have done this because you can see there is a little 3 coming outside of the front plane. I'm going to take this side as a front plane. So it helped me later. Yeah, this is done. Now we are going to make this top side. For this, we are going to again select the front plane and the sketch. And now select the line from the midpoint. Just make a random. Okay, here from and vertical to this point and okay. Now circle, and this circle is going to be like this. Now select this is tangent. You can see this icon is showing this circle and line is tangent, but I want to make this circle. Press Ctrl and the line and make the relation tangent. Okay, one more thing. Let's take it to the midpoint. Okay, now next is a simple. You can select the arc. It's selected 3-point arc. The first is going here, second here, and the third one. Let's see. Yeah, now this time it's done. Now next is we are going to trim. Let's trim this one and smart dimensions. Now it's time to mention the dimension. So we have for the dimension these outer radiuses of 10 yeah. Circle, first make a circle, it will help us. Circle and smart dimension. This is going to be of 10 radius. Next is mm, the total height. Okay, let's take the total height as from the center 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6 from here to the center is 28.6 Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, right, 28 plus 6, not the 28.6. It's 28 plus 6 Now next is 28 plus 6 done. Now next is let's find the this distance. So we have 36 from center to the line. You can see this arrow from here to here. It shows 36. So from center Okay, smart dimension from center to the center is 36 mm. Okay, one more thing. This is 6 mm, so let's make it of 6 mm, and yeah, it's done. Okay, the circle that's going to be whole is of 10 mm dia. So this is 10 mm diameter. Now this side is done, but we have to extrude. You can see here 33 mm. So let's feature extrude boss base, and this is our 33. So simply put here 33 mm, and it's coming in front. I want to put it back. So click on the arrow and done. Now next is, you can see there is a square gap, you can say. Then we are going to make a extrude cut here, but this side is 10 and this is 14. So select the face, sketch, just take a random rectangle and make a rectangle. Now smart dimension, this is of 10 mm, and okay, wait a minute, smart dimension from the line, this is 14 mm, and done. Now control 7 for isometric view, features extrude cut, and extrude cut is going to be, okay, extrude cut is going to be through circle. So first let me turn this one more time. Okay, now I'm going to select the up to the surface, and that's our surface, and done. Now you can see it cut the portion that I want to extrude cut here. Now again control 7 for isometric view. This side is done. Now we have the right side that you can look. It's seems like F. So we are going to make it, but this F is at a distance of from the center of the circle to the height is 40 mm. So if I want to make F here, I need a reference plane. For this, simply top plane, reference geometry plane, and I want to create at a distance of 40 mm, and done. Now click on the plane and sketch. Take the line and just randomly made a F and close it. Now one more thing, let delete this line segment, and I'm going to circle or the arc. Okay, arc, and this is 2 point arc from here to here. Okay, control Z, arc from here to here. Okay, one more thing, arc, and we have to select the 2 point arc from this point to this point, and done. Now escape. It's time to mention the dimensions. So this is 14 mm. So the first one is 14. Okay, that's 14 mm. And one more thing, this line and this line, it's collinear. Now smart dimension, we have done the first dimension. Next is from here to here, this is 50 plus 5, 55 mm. So side is 55 mm, and done. Next is this is 35 mm. So This line is of 35 mm, and again escape, let the line control and this line, and it's going to be, you can make the horizontal or the collinear, both will work. Now again smart dimension. Next is we have the line. Look, from the center of the circle till here is 15 mm. So we can do this as from here to here. This is 15 mm. Okay, done. 15 mm. This semicircle is of radius 4. So we can mention here this is of 4 mm radius. And next is from center to till the line is 14 mm. So from center till the line is 14 mm, and next is from here to this line it's 28. So from here to here this is 28 mm. Now next is we have three flits, one, two, and the three. So this is 6 mm flit. Or simply select the flit, put the dimension as 6 mm, and select one, two, and the third, and done. Okay, nearly all thing is done. We are going to extrude it up to, here is the dimension as 10 mm. So let's extrude it up to extrude boss base. This is going to be lined 10 mm, but drop down arrow, and okay. Let's hide this plane, and our model or our part is ready. Now we can change its appearance as first Control 7 for isometric view. I'm going to appearance from here. Okay, it's look good. Done. But I want to change this one, press Control and select this one too, and the top face. And appearance, black color, and here our tutorial is going to be end. Hope you will understand all the steps that we follow to make this simple part. If you have any query, then you can ask me on comment section. And if you are new to CAD Station, then don't forget to subscribe the CAD Station and like the video. Thank you.